Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to add new home screen widgets on Android 16. So on your home screen you want to touch and hold an empty area. Now let's select widgets, and here you can see different categories. First one is essentials, then there is social, and the last one is entertainment. So if you scroll down you will see different applications that support widgets. So let's suppose that I want to add widget from my clock. For example, this one. So I want to tap on it and tap add button. Now I want to choose the clock style. I'll go with this one. And now I can, on my home screen, I want to reposition it like this. So when it's on its desired position, simply lift your finger up, and then you can drag the dots like this to resize the widget as you want. So yes, that is basically it. That's how you can add your widgets to your home screen, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.